So now let's see how we can work around with text tool inside of Photopea. So in order to work around with text tool, on the left hand side you can see that text type tool is an option. So what I can do is I can select it and I can click anywhere to start typing right here, just like this. So now you can see that I got this text right here that I can move around. Alternatively, I can also click and drag around to create a text box right here. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say this is a sample paragraph right here, just like this. I'm going to go around and copy and paste this text right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So by default, you can see that this is the font that is actually selected. You can go around and select other font as you wish. You need to select out the text right here for that, and then select out the font right here, just like this, and that particular font will be loaded. You can also go around and change around the size of the font right here, just like this, and you can go around and choose the font, another font as you like right here, and then you can change around the size as well. So apart from that, let me just go around and then resize out the text box right here, and then just simply go around and place it into other spots. Like I can click and drag this around, place it wherever I want right here. So apart from that, you can also go around onto different sort of text right here, like different typefaces right here, like italics, as you can see right here. You can go for bold, you can go for bold, italic, and so forth right here, and change around the size just for the selected text as well. You can also go around and change around the color of the text right here, just like this, and then press OK, and that color will be applied. So over here you can see that I can go around and add in a fill, a stroke right here, and add in a background right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have. So now if I were to go around over here, I can center align it, I can right align it right here, I can make it, let's say for example, sharp right here, just like this. So if I really were to go around, I can make it crisp right here, or I can make it strong right here, and so forth, as you can see. And the way the pixel is actually like more distinct is shown. So you can see that this makes it larger, but smooth really makes it smooth right here. So you can go around over here and then let's say for example choose the space as well where it is aligned. So you can see that it is up, you can center it, you can make it bottom aligned, and so forth. So if I were to go for wrap right here, then you can see that this is the wrap options right here. You can go for arc style, you can go around and bend it out right here, just like this. You can go for a rise style, right, as you can see right here. You can go for bulb style right here and change around the effect according to how you want as well, and change around the horizontal and the vertical distribution right here as well, and then have this kind of an effect. You can press OK, and then you got this text right here, just like this. Of course, you can go around and change it whenever you want. You also have a text right here, as you can see, just like this, which is not in a text box. And with that, you can go around and work around with the same as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You can center align it, you can left align it, but it takes this particular dot as a reference point right here for that. And then everything out. Everything else is the same right here. You can apply the wave right here, which gets applied to that particular text shape right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the text tool inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.